In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows. So to start, what you need to do is to go to settings. And once you're in settings, you need to click on system. Next, scroll down and look for troubleshoot. Click on it. Next, select other troubleshooters. So in here, click on network and internet and run the troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. So it will give you an option to fix the issue. So if this doesn't work, you can try the other option. So go to search and search for control panel. And once you're in here, click on network and sharing center. Next, what you need to do is to click on change adapter settings and find your network Wi-Fi adapter. So for example, this one, right click on it, click on disable. So right click on it again and click on enable. Now it's enabled and see if it fixes your issue. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.